We're going to learn how to set up WordPress on a Bluehost account to help run and manage our website. First and foremost, on Bluehost, what we need to do is we need to go to the top left-hand corner and click on the Login button. Once you do that, it'll take you to a standard login page where you put in your username and your password. Once you put in your username and password, it'll take you to the control panel area. On the control panel area, we want to scroll down to the area that says Website Builder, and we want to click on the WordPress icon. This will take us to a general landing page where we can go ahead and start the installation process for WordPress. Now on the WordPress landing page, we want to click on the Start button. It's going to ask us which domain name or which web address we actually want to use in order to install our WordPress account. So we'll go ahead and we'll select from the list. Usually if it's just a setup, if it's just a basic setup, there's only going to be one web address in there. In other words, if you've signed up for Bluehost and you only have one web address, or you've just started for the first time, your web address will be listed within that window. Now then, on the next screen, we want to click on the Show Advanced Options. This is very important because this gives us the opportunity to set up our WordPress site ahead of time. So we can set up the name of our website, we can set up a username, we can also set up a password. If you don't do that, what this system does is it automatically sets up a password for you. So take the opportunity to set up your own password just so that you'll know what it is. And then finally, we want to go ahead and put in our administrative email address. So any correspondence, anything that relates to the website, since you are the administrator, you want to make sure you definitely put in your admin email address. Now once we've done all that, down at the bottom you'll click on the opt-in, and then you're going to click on the option that says Install Now. And then within Bluehost, what you'll notice is that it's going to take you to another screen. It's going to show you a progress bar up in the top right hand corner, which is really cool because essentially what it's doing is it's loading in the database, it's uploading all the necessary files. It's going to give you an idea as far as how long it's actually supposed to take in order to actually upload your web address or install WordPress for your site. So after the progress bar has finished progressing, what you'll want to do is you'll want to go ahead and go to your web address now. So www.whateveryourwebaddress.com, and go ahead and type that into the browser window, and what you'll see is you'll see your website now rendered in the default standard WordPress template. Now in order to get into the admin portion of your website using WordPress, you'll just simply type in whatever your web address is .com and then put a /wp-admin. And what that'll do is that'll take you to the login page, which will enable you to get into the administrative part of your website. And that's all there is. So setup on WordPress, setup on Bluehost with WordPress is fairly simple and straightforward. Thank you for your time.